There's been a few questions about the units in number 9. Here we're given the supply equation where X is the quantity supplied in units of 1,000. So in class we said we want to be careful about what X represents and how it is measured. Here it's measured in units of 1,000. P is the unit price in dollars. In part B, we are asked to determine the price. So in other words, we are asked to find P. And remember that P is measured in dollars, so our answer will be in dollars. We want to find the price at which the supplier will make 1,600 units of the commodity available in the market. 1,600 units. Remember that X is measured in thousands. So we have to be careful about how we represent X when we plug it into the equation. Before we do that, let's remind ourselves of something. If we were talking about 2,000 units, what would the X value be for 2,000 units? Well, 2,000 units, X is already measured in units of 1,000, so that would be X is equal to 2, and that represents 2,000 units. In this case, we're talking about 1,600 units, and we want to represent this as an X value represented in thousands. In a sense, what we are doing is we're taking the decimal place and moving it over 3 spaces, or dividing by 1,000. So if we do that here, this tells me X is equal to 1.6. 1.6 thousandths would be 1,600 units. So when we actually evaluate the function, we're going to use 1.6 squared, sorry, that's cubed, plus 1.6 plus 3, and we can find that in our calculator. And I get that the price would be 8.696, and remember that P is measured in dollars, so this is just $8.696. We're asked to round our answer to the nearest cent, so that would be approximately 8 point, and we're going to round this up, which would round that up to 10, which means that rounds up to 70. So our price would be $8.70.